The classroom door opened with a cheerful sound. Mr. David walked in. He had a big smile on his face. The room was bright and full of color. Sunlight came through the large windows. They were teenagers from different countries, ready to learn. Today was an important day. They were going to learn the English alphabet.
Good morning, everyone.
He picked up a thick stack of large cards from his desk. Each card was white with a big, bold letter.
We will go slowly, one letter at a time.
The students nodded. The atmosphere was positive and encouraging.
Remember, there are no silly questions here. We are all learning together.
He held the stack of flashcards in one hand and prepared to begin. Mr. David held the cards up for everyone to see. The first step was always the most important one. It was the feeling of something new and exciting about to begin. Mr. David held up the first card. The journey into the English alphabet was about to begin. Everyone was excited.
Let's start. A.
Mr. David took the first card from the top of the stack. The letter on the card was big and red. It was the letter A.
A, now you try, together.
A.
Good. A is for apple. B.
B.
B is for book. C.
C.
C is for cat. D.
D dog.
D is for dog. E. E is for egg. F.
F fish.
The first 6 letters were done.
X. I.
I is for ice cream. JJ is for juice. KK is for key. LL is for lion.
El manage. Money.
Half of the alphabet was now complete. The energy in the classroom did not fade as Mr. David continued.
Perfect.
Their confidence was growing with each letter.
Next up, G through M done. Let us keep going.
They pressed on, excited for more.
And your tongue touches the top of your mouth.
And nose.
Uh.
O orange.
O is for orange. P.
P pen.
P is for pen. Q is for queen.
Q.
R is for red.
S sun. Tea table.
Small performances made each letter easy to remember.
You are all doing an amazing job.
Yes.
Only a few letters remained.
U umbrella.
U is for umbrella. V. Feel your teeth on your bottom lip. V.
V-van. W water.
Only 3 letters left. X. It sounds like KS.
Xbox.
X is for box. Y.
Yes.
Yes, you are learning the alphabet. Z. In American English, we say Z. Z.
Z zebra.
A to Z. You did it. You have learned the English alphabet.
The classroom filled with a sense of achievement and newfound confidence. A happy classroom, the best place to learn.